Hi there, students. Okay, this video is about how to use the verb to suggest. Let's see, to suggest is a common verb, but the structures are different, and it's a verb that students often get wrong. One of the things that I often hear, can you suggest me a way to resolve this? Doesn't work. Can you suggest a way to solve this? Yeah. Okay. Can you suggest how I might solve this? Or the other one I hear, I suggest us to go to the bar on the corner. No. Okay. Suggest is normally followed by a that clause or an ing. So I suggest that he go to see the doctor. That works beautifully. I suggest that he be here at 4 o'clock this afternoon. He suggested that I were available on Friday. Okay, so suggest that subject plus a subjunctive. I suggest that you go. I suggest that he go, no S. I suggest that he not go, in the negative. I suggested that he went. I suggested that he didn't go. So notice, this is taking either a present subjunctive or an imperfect subjunctive. I suggest that you should lose weight. I suggest that you lose weight. I suggest that he lose weight. No S. I suggested that he should lose weight. The doctor suggested that I lost some weight. Okay, that I should lose some weight. Now, that's one way of using suggest. Yeah, suggest plus this subjunctive. We can also use suggest plus ing. So I suggest going to the doctor. I suggest you're going to the doctor. You could use it like that. I would probably prefer, I suggest that you go. I suggested that he went. So I suggest doing something. I think if you're going to use a person within this, I suggest that someone should do something. Okay, so I suggest trying to do it again. I suggest being more careful next time. I suggest not upsetting the security guard. Okay, so I suggest that somebody should stop, plus a present subjunctive. That plus a present subjunctive. I suggested that he went, imperfect subjunctive. Both of these, you could put a should if you wanted. I suggest going. I suggested going. And I think those are the best ways of using suggest. Okay, this is how to use it. But remember, I suggest you to go. No. That's the one to avoid. That's the one that is the mistake, okay? Suggest formality. Five informality, use anywhere, even the subjunctive structures. It requires that structure. So use absolutely anywhere. And well, I was going to do the origin, but there's not really much origin to it. It's talking about how to use this. So I suggest that you practice this, and I suggest that you try to get it right. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Suggest. How to use suggest. Structures with suggest.